Welcome to our tutorial on the %SCANRPL built-in function in IBM I. The %SCANRPL function in IBM I is used to replace all instances of a scan string within a source string with a replacement string. Let's break down its syntax. The function takes up to 5 parameters. Scan string, the substring to search for and replace. Replacement string, the substring to replace the scan string with. Source string, the original string where replacement will occur. Scan start position specifies where to start searching within the source string, and this is optional. Scan length defines how many characters from the start position to scan, and this is optional. Here's an example to illustrate how %SCANRPL works in practice. In this example, we start with the string. This is SCANRPL BIF function. Using %SCANRPL, we replace BIF with built-in function. The result after execution shows how the scan string BIF is replaced within the source string. And that's the %SCANRPL function in IBM I, helping you efficiently replace substrings within your data. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on the %SCANRPL built-in function in IBM I RPGLE by programmers.io. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and updates.